Hello people, sorry if I was... Hello people, this is Brett from Elliott Wave, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nasdaq, and then I'll give you a quick update on gold. So, first things first, sorry if I was gone, but as I said, I was going to be busy last weekend, and then just got back to my daily routine, and actually yesterday I forgot to make a video, but I'm here today. So yeah, I'm going to be resuming the videos. Hope you didn't miss me too much, which... I don't know, hard to believe, isn't it? But I'm back, so don't worry, no worries about that. So, that being said, I guess we can get started. So with gold, oh shoot, why? Oh, that's interesting. So with gold, I just wanted to show you a quick one. So that's where we left off things, and the last update goes back, as from what I can see, April 16th. So it's almost been a month actually, and we were here April 16th. How is that possible? No, sorry, April 28th. Okay, sorry. So it's been a couple of weeks. This looks like 3. Okay, looks like 3. We can investigate on this move up, but wave fork is still being in the making. If we go in the hourly, let's see what it looks like. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. Yeah, we could. Wave fork is still being in the making. That's definitely 3. So 3 ways a trend don't make, as you may know if you've been following. I mean, as you should know, actually, if you're into Elliott Wave. Then we have 3v1 of which 3? I guess, that's a good question. Probably this one. Yeah, this one. This 3. So 3v1, 168 of this orange sub minuet 3. But overall, looks good. The only thing you could argue is these degrees are smaller than this one's, yet in terms of magnitude, this is larger. So that's the only thing you could argue. Oh, actually, what you could do is... Nope. This is gold. Just give me a second. What you could do is... You could say, well... And as a matter of fact, I should have done it earlier. Same count. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for a minute, I guess. Because here we had... yeah, wave 5, so this would go into a new separator, a new folder. Okay. So the same as here. So you can count this as 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and at this point, wave 5 must be shorter than 3, obviously, because wave 1 is the longest. So that's also actually, that kind of looks better than the other one, doesn't it? Because of the things I just stated. So I just wanted to give a quick one on gold, and let's move on to the Nasdaq, which obviously we need to go back to the Nasdaq. So I'll leave you timestamps so you guys don't... Okay. So, one thing I'll say, this is just personal. I never learned, apparently. I'm still a pretty young fella, but... I need to learn that when there's blood in the streets, I need bigger balls, basically. I did buy some, but as usual, I wish I bought more. But should have, would have, could have. Most important thing is at least that I learn from my, let's call them mistakes. So, at this point in time, I think this count could be the one. Okay, it looks like I'm better identifying at counts than potent wife materials, but to each their own, I guess. So 1, 2, and upside. Obviously, this degree is wrong. I don't know why it's there. Just give me a second. I need to talk to you. I don't like this. Okay, so this would be obviously everything 1 degree lower. Okay. Boom, boom. Let's move everything to the side, and we'll go into the 1 hour soon. Okay. Just give me a second. So as you can see, 3 down, 1, 2, with a truncated fifth. Now there's 2 cases for this. One is the one you're looking at. The other one is more similar to what is happening with the SMH, so semiconductors, which we'll talk about in a second. It's basically a 1, 2, 1, 2. Now many of you know me. I'm a big fan of 1, 2s, 1, 2s. But so relationships look nice here. Sharp wave 2, 1 less degree than this primary wave 4. And the most important thing is this looks like one move. This looks like another move. Oopsie. This looks like something else. So this could have been 5, I don't know. And this looks like the beginning of something, okay? So it's 1, 2, 5A, I don't know. But hope you get my point, right? One move, another move, okay? And so far they look like movers in degree, hence the 1, 2. Okay, so in this count, now we're right now what we're doing is we're assuming we have a bottom in place in wave 2, okay? Okay, that's what we're assuming. Is that right? As usual, guys, I don't know. If I knew, I wouldn't be here. This is a forecast. It's not a. I'm not speaking. I mean, God, I'm not speaking the truth. I'm just taking an educated guess. I don't know the future. So I always get confused here. So truncated fifth, possible. ABC, down for 2. Okay, now we're gonna count this. It looks like a 1, 2. And here could have been another 1, 2 actually. What do you guys think? 1, 2. This would mean upside. So awesome. God, I hate this. Oh, what have I done? What have you done? Give me a second. Okay, yes, gotta read this. Perfect. Okay, so this is possible. Now, as a matter of fact, let me take a look at the futures market. Because if we're down like 3% right now, we are up 0.17%. Okay, so we're basically flat. That's good. So this is possible. Now, the alternative would be, once again, so this was bearish. So this is a bearish alternative, basically. It's saying, I mean, I wouldn't call it bearish, more conservative. It's basically saying, and as a matter of fact, this could be happening. 3 up in A, 3 down in B, 5 up in C for wave B, and then downside. Okay, this is actually possible. Yeah, I think all you need to know is this is very possible, and if this is correct, we should get an answer in a matter of even today or early next week. Okay, but this is possible. So this is bearish alternative. I say more conservative, so basically it's saying wave 1 is here of intermediate degree, okay? Wave 1 is here, down in A, up in B, down in C for intermediate wave 2. Perfect. Let me revise this one. Okay, just same short-term implication of what we just witnessed. Just different degrees, but I reckon this is the least likely. But obviously I could be wrong. And these are preferred one. Now here I'll show you an alternative way to count it, which, as I was saying, it's very similar to a potential count for the so semiconductors, SMH, just like which also corresponds to a very similar count for NVIDIA. So this would be sorry, 1, 2, and here my German friends are gonna start to go crazy. 1, 2. You know what's coming next. Obviously, we'll go over pros and cons of discount, what I like and what I don't like. And this could be perhaps already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who knows? But it wouldn't leave us much room for wave 4, but it's still possible. So, obviously, may not be obvious, but what I don't like is if it's a 1, 2, 1, 2, this wave 2 is much larger than this wave 2. Yet, they are, at least in terms of time, I think also magnitude. Yeah, it should be 8%, and that's obviously, so in terms of magnitude, it's definitely larger. In terms of net retracement, it's a bit different though, because if you measure it in terms of, this retraced 61.8%, okay, and this one retraced probably like 80, almost 75 basically. But yeah, this also took much more time, so it's not ideal, to be honest. It's possible, it's not ideal, I don't like it. I just wanted to present it to you. So, summing up, and then we'll end the video. This one, possible, not my preferred one. This more conservative, possible. So it's my preferred one alongside with the, let's say, counterpart bullish scenario, okay? It could, what I'm saying is the low could be in place, the bottom may not be in place. I like both. So if you ask me about proportions and stuff, this is the best count. Nice proportion, 3 up, 3 down, 5 up. Nice proportion between 4 and 2. Nice proportion between A and B and C. Just almost a textbook move. Okay, I'm gonna have to be honest. I have to be objective. This, it's not really a textbook move. You have a very ugly 1 and 2, a truncated 5th, extremely, which is actually considerably rare. And then you'd have a 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 2 here, which is one less degree of this one. Yet it is quite time consuming. So not really ideal. This is kind of like forcing a bottom in place. So that's why I like it. But if I have to be honest, I kind of like this one better. Which one is it going to be? We'll have an answer as time goes on. Thank you for watching. Any questions, you guys let me know down in the comments. And yep, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great Friday.